This is a question from Chapter 8, Exercise number 1, and it's asking us to budget performance reports for cost centers, and of course there's no revenue associated with a cost center. So it's partially completed performance reports for iLaid Company, manufacturing air conditioners, provided below. They give us this information, and in that information they're asking us to complete the budget performance report. So we're going to have to find the various items A through L and put those in the budget. So we're going to go ahead and go through, and we have all these different items. So let's go ahead and make our calculations associated with that. A, we have chip manufacturing budget. We have the actual budget for B and the over budget for C. So as I'm looking at this, for A, the chip manufacturing, the budgeted amount is going to be the $105,560. So that would go here, 105,560. And B, we can go to the actual. Looking at the actual amount is 108,240. So we can write 1. And the C, the over budget, looks like the combination of these two numbers. So I've got to take the 3160 minus the 480. If I put that in my calculator, 3160 minus 480, that's 2680, and that'll be over budget. So we're going to put in here, over budget equals 2680. Now we can determine D by adding these three items together, and that's the 105,560 plus 68,810 plus 109,410. That equals 283,780. We can also figure out E by adding that column for the actual amount. So I'm going to add the 108,240 plus the 69,700 plus the 108,530. That looks like 286,470. Our total over budget is going to be the next column added up, and that's 2680 plus 890. That equals 3570. So now we have completed all through F. Now we'll go to G, and so the South region, it says the performance budget for the South region, we have to plug in those numbers, which are these three numbers here. So G would be equal to 283,780, H 286,470, I 3,570. And we can add the columns together then. So to get J, I'll add the 366,100, the 283,600, plus G, which is 283,780, and that total would be J. We'll do the same thing for the actual cost. We'll take this column and add it together, and over budget we would add that column together. So we would have all the way through I. And we could then complete all of our items there for that question.